All right, now let's check out analytics while we're still on managed position. This is where the opinion ends and the data starts. First up, click the Charts tab. The main chart shows your position value over time, and you can change the time window depending on what you want to review. Next to that, you've got fee generation. You can see cumulative fees over time and daily fees, and you can change those timeframes too. Next, go to the Advanced tab. This is where you get the more detailed breakdowns if you really want to know what your position is made up of. You'll see things like token holdings, swap volume your position has facilitated, and the position NFT ID. You'll also see LP value versus hold value, which is basically a quick check. Were you better off LPing this or just holding the tokens? If you click View All Advanced Metrics, you get the deeper view. More detail on LP versus hold, a clearer holdings breakdown, range analytics down to ticks, distance to lower and upper, and time and range, similar to what you saw in Managed Position. One important section here is Return NFT and Dust. You can return your position NFT to your wallet if you want to manage it directly elsewhere. And if you ever have small dust amounts from actions, you can withdraw it here. But it also gets sent back at close, and it's usually tiny. All right, now let's jump over to the history page. This is the full timeline view for your wallet across all the positions you've had and closed. By default, it's limited to 30 days, but you can extend the window. Up top, you'll see summary stats like realized P&L for the period, positions exited, win rate, and average win and loss. I keep this in table view, but you can switch to cards if you prefer. Quick details on any position to drill in. You'll see when it opened and closed, how long it was open, total fees earned, and what % of deposit that was, net P&L, and total returned. Then the breakdown shows every element: deposit, adds, removes, compounds, collects, protocol and bot fees, and the final close amount. And just like on Managed Position, you'll see an activity summary and the full event list below. It's the complete record: rebalances, compounds, adds, collects, and everything else that created the final P&L. The whole goal with analytics and history? Confidence. You should be able to say, here's what I did, here's what it cost, here's what it earned, and here's what I'd tweak next time. In the next video, we'll circle back and do a deep dive into position automation because that deserves its own walkthrough.